wonderful family, welcome once again to my channel. So skincare is the name. If you are stopping by, please don't forget to subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So please step back, let's go and watch the video to the end. In today's video we are making a lotion, a toning, brightening or lightening lotion. In today's video we are going to make a lotion. Please, this lotion, it will lighten, brighten or tone you depending on your skin type. Every day I said it and I will say it again. Depending on your skin type, I'm using neutral tone, 1 tube, and I'll be using skin success cream. I'll be also using 1 tube, and I'll also be using my bare eclat chemical for green veins, stretch marks. I'll be using that too, and I'll be using my bio oil. I'll be using it clears scars, stretch marks, aging skin, and also beauty series oil also glows the skin. I'm going to add in my shenek. Let's start to do our lotion. I'm going to add in my tubes. So guys, I'm using my one hand to do this lotion, so I'll be adding in my tubes. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn your notification bell. Please like, share and comment. I'll also add in my neutral tone. These are the 2 tubes that we add in. We added in neutral tone and skin success cream. These are the 2. So I'm going to stir my lotion. I'll stir the tubes and the cream together. Guys, please, I'm using one hand to do this lotion, so please bear with me. I'm going to add in a little of this pigment dough. Pigment dough is very good for lightening, so please, if you want to lighten your skin, please don't add in pigment dough to your, if you don't add in pigment dough to your lotion. It will lighten you. I added in 5 ml of it, and I'm also adding in my beauty series oil. I'm going to add in my bare eclat chemical. I'll add in 5 ml of it. I'll also add in my bio oil or bio oil. I'll also add in my 5 ml of it. I also add in my shenek perfect leg, 2.5 ml of it. That's my shenek perfect leg. Then I will stir the lotion. I stir it very well. So guys, I'm mixing my cream very well to let the oil combine with the base cream. Now our lotion is okay and I'm done with it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn your notification bell so that we'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Guys, please like, share and comment. I love you guys. Mwah.